everybody, welcome to Make It Monday. For our first episode, we are going to make a really cool 2-ingredient Play-Doh. And the ingredients that you need: hair conditioner. You can use inexpensive kind like Suave. You can even get some samples from hotels if you have any of these laying around the house. And the second green ingredient that you're going to need is cornstarch, and I'm sure you have some of that sitting in a cabinet somewhere. And you can use a third ingredient if you want to. You can add some food coloring and give it a pretty color. So you need a half a cup of cornstarch. There we go. Those of you who come to Messy Play know that I'm definitely not afraid of a little mess, so if you get cornstarch on the table, that's okay. All right, about a half a cup. Put that in your bowl, and look, I made a mess. There's your cornstarch. And then for your second ingredient, you need a 1/4 cup of hair conditioner. There's 1/4 cup. And you put that right into the cornstarch, just like that. Make sure you get it out. This is also the time that you add a drop or two of food coloring. You don't need anything more than that. Okay, there's my drop. And then from there, you just take your spoon and start mixing it all together. And as you mix it, you're going to kind of see it start to come together. It's going to start to look a little bit like pie crust. See it all? It's all kind of mixing together. All right, once you see it turn into this, it kind of becomes like a ball. You take it out, and this is the favorite part. You start playing with it. When you start playing with it at first, it's going to feel a little sticky. That's okay, just keep playing with it. Just like when you come to Messy Play or Slime Saturday. Most important thing is to keep kneading it, just like this. And you can see, no mess on your hands. Keep playing. And it also smells fantastic because whatever you use for conditioner, I use some mint, and now this smells so good. Once you are finished playing with it and kind of getting it into this shape, you can play with it. You can see I made one earlier, like I showed you at the beginning. And the longer you play with it, look, the food coloring gets more incorporated and it turns a little bluer. Now you have this really cool, fun, very low mess Play-Doh. So have some fun, take some pictures, and let us know how it worked out for you. And I will see you back here next Monday for our next activity when we do tie-dye coffee filter art. Have a great week, everyone.